Welcome to WordMass online classes. My name is Kadar Ramesh. Today we are learning very important topic. The topic is syllogism. So syllogism means what? So why this topic is confusing so why we are to confuse to learn this topic? Why this is a confusion? Because simple reason is that syllogism is nothing but inference or logical deduction. Logical deduction is nothing but what? The information is whatever is given. We have to think in the different ways, different angles. One person can think in the one way, and another person in the different way. The thinking of the persons, different people, that is called the syllogism. Confusion. So we have to decide the which is correct. We have to decide the nyay nirnay in Hindi. So nothing but which is correct we have to be decide means nothing but we have to think in the both angles. That is nothing but here syllogism. Now one more proposition. Proposition is a sentence that makes a sentence into the two parts that we have to be decide the what is the relation to the subject and predicate that says about that is the thing but here proposition. So proposition says regarding the relation between the subject and predicate. Subject and predicate. That is called the proposition. Now the here statements are given. For the statement we have to give the conclusion. So which conclusion is right, which conclusion is wrong, we have to decide. That is the main theme here. Now the syllogism is divided into two parts. Number one part is universal. Universal statement. So already I have given there. Again, and number two part is particular statement. So if you understand what is meaning of the universal statement, what is meaning of the particular statement. Universal statement is also divided into two parts. Number one is universal positive. Universal positive. Universal positive. Number two part is universal negative. Universal negative. Here also two parts. Particular positive. Particular positive. Number two part is particular negative. Particular negative. So here, first of all, if you learn these four sentences, you are thorough, you are perfect in the syllogism topic. Okay, na? Now, what is meaning of the universal positive? So nothing but if one is completely dependent on another, then that is called the universal positive. Simple, I will give the example and I will explain about the detail each and everything. So universal positive, but here all boys are girls. All boys are girls means we have to show like this. This parameter is compulsory inside of this parameter. Then all boys are girls means you have to show like this. This is called the universal positive, and A-E-I-O method also will be there. A type also you can say. Then universal negative. This is called universal negative method. No boy is girl. So here say that no boy is the girl. This is called the universal negative. This is the boy, this is the girl. Then what we have a particular positive. Particular, some boys are girls. Some boys are girls. This is called the particular positive. And particular negative. Some boys are not girls. This is also you can write like this also you can write. This is called the particular negative. So now we have to learn about this. So detail only universal positive. How many types? How many positive? How many chances are there to become the positive? So where how many sources are there? For that I will explain you detail. First of all, you have to understand that here syllogism we can divide into two parts. What is the universal as well as particular. In the universal two parts, universal positive, universal negative, and also particular two parts, particular positive, particular negative. Now I will explain about this all clearly about this what is what. Okay. Now we have to learn the different. In the universal positive first statement, universal positive first statement is all boys are girls. All boys are girls. If the statement is given. So this is the statement. This is the statement. This statement conclusion. No, this is the conclusion. So when the all boys are given, all boys or girls is given, how we have to decide? So the figure is with the Venn diagrams. With Venn diagrams, how do we have to decide? All boys are girls. This is the boys. This is the girls. All boys are girls also we can see. This is the boys. This is the girls. Means all are equal. Equal isn't all boys equal to all girls. And all boys are girls. Whatever. So mostly this figure only dominated. Sometimes also you have to imagine like this also. Okay, no problem. Here, all boys are girls. What is the Venn diagrams? Venn diagrams are the imaginary figures. Imaginary figures are what? If there is no physical shape, if we cannot actually all boys are girls means everything we cannot expect. How we have to expect? There is no chances. That is why with the Venn diagrams we have to imagine. We can see the logic. That is for that only Venn diagram will be given. Now in the conclusions we have to be which is the right conclusion we have to be deciding. Number one, conclusion. Conclusion number one is all girls are boys. Number two, okay, some boys are girls. Number three, some girls are boys. Number four, so no boys are girls. Number five, no girls are boys. Number six, some boys are not girls. Number seven, some girls are not boys. Some girls are not boys. Here, for each statement, we can divide into 8 parts. In that one part, already given in the question. One part is given in the question. Out of 7 parts, we can divide into the 8 parts. One part is given in the question. Again, we can divide into the 7 parts. In the 7 part, which is right, we have to understand. So, first of all boys or girls, whenever is given, in the Venn diagram, we can imagine all boys are girls. So here is also you have to feel that all boys are girls. Okay, all boys are girls. Now first one, all girls are boys. First conclusion. So when the all boys are girls, all girls are boys. Is it possible? No, this is not possible because all boys are girls here, right? But all girls are not boys. Here all girls are boys looking like, but it is not correct. Whenever it is satisfied in the two figures. Whenever it is satisfied in the 2 angles or 3 angles, then only we have to accept the answer is right. Otherwise, it is not right. That is why here, all girls are boys is the wrong, not follow. Next, some boys are girls. Here, all boys are girls, some boys also girls is right answer. Why? Of all boys are girls when there is some boys also girls. So actually we don't accept it because no sir, so all boys are girls. How it become the some boys are girls? Simple. One example I will tell you. So all pens are red. All pens are red. So nothing but in the box there is a box is there. In the all pens are red. So if you take one pen, it will come red pen only. If you take 5 pens, it will get the red pen only. Means some pens also red, one pen also red. Like the way we can expect. So here, all Telangana people are Indian people. All Telangana people are Indian people. Whenever expressed, one person also become the Indian people. So 5% also Indian people, 20% also Indian people, 1,000 people also Indian people. Nothing but here all becomes, some also compulsory will become. So somebody expect that no, all means all only we have to accept, some should not accept. Okay. So when there is all is there, some compulsory will be there inner part. And so that is the positive will come already compulsory. You will get the positive only. This is the right only. Compulsory. This is right. Please remember this. Now come to the third one. Some girls are boys. Here some girls are boys is saying all boys are girls. All boys are girls. Some girls also boys. It is also right because all girls are boys never will become, but some girls are definitely will become the boys. So here some girls become the, some Indians are Telangana people. Yes, some Indians are Telangana people, right? So that is the way we can imagine. All some girls are also boys. This is also right answer. Now, no boys are girls. Here, all boys are girls is, no boys are girls is the wrong. No boys girls is the wrong. Next to, no girls are boys. This is also wrong, not follow. Some boys are not girls. So some boys are not girls is saying, some boys are not girls is saying, in the positive statement, from the positive, you will get the positive only. From the negative, you will get the negative only. But from positive, don't expect the negative results. That is why don't expect the negative result. So that is why some boys are not girls also wrong. Some boys also not girls wrong. Some girls are not boys. Here some girls are not boys is looking right. Some girls are not boys looking here wrong. Here right, sometimes here wrong, sometimes here right. When there is both position, the both the situation is right, then only that is right. Otherwise, it is not right. That is why this is also does not follow, you have to say. So because from the positive statement, don't expect the negative. Sometimes says at least some, so possibilities are not same. Yeah. When there is 100% chances are there, then only we have to accept the answer. If there is not 100% is there, we don't accept the answer. 100% satisfaction we are getting in the 2 only. So out of, so when all boys are girls, when is given, so from out of 7, it's not 1 is already given. Out of 7, only 2 possibilities are there. If you remember with this, if you remember this, then any question you do, you will get the right answer. Okay. Now let us take the universal positive, universal negative. This is the universal positive. Now take the universal negative. In the universal negative, second statement is statement. So no boys are girls. No boys are girls. No boy is girl. Negative statement. Complete. No boys are girls. No chance. So when there is a no boys are girls, so conclusion. How is the conclusion? So no girl is a boy. No girl is a boy. Next, number 2. Some boys are girls. Third one. Some boys are girls. Some girls are boys. 4. Some boys are not girls. Some girls are not boys. Okay. 6th one. All boys are girls. 7th one. All girls are boys. Okay, you have to observe it. No boys are girls. No boy is girl. This is a completely negative statement. How to imagine? So imagination is possible through the Venn diagrams. Actually, first up to learn the subject, please utilize the Venn diagrams. After you learnt it, you can forget it. Need not to be utilize that Venn diagrams. So first of all, after getting up the confidence, compulsory we have to remember the Venn diagram. So no boys or girls. How can we write like this? This is the boys, this is the girls. There is no connection to the boys and girls. When boys to the, there is no connection to the girls, then the girls also does not have the connection to the boys. There is no connection here. This is separate, that is separate. So in this case, how many chances are there? How many possible conclusion chances are there? We have to decide among the 7 conclusions. Among the 7 conclusions, we have to be decided. So first we have to get the about 4 statements only. But that is what? Universal positive, universal negative, particular positive, particular negative. You have to observe there. The 4 sentences on that you have confidence. You can do any question easily, simply with Venn diagram and without Venn diagrams also. Now here is given no boys or girls. This only one figure is enough for us. Okay, second figure is need not to be taken. So here, no girl is a boy. This is compulsory. Negative statements always gives the negative result. Negative statement always says the negative answer. So that is the right answer. Negative statement also gives the negative answer, right answer only. So that is why no girl is a boy. No girls are boys. So here you can say that no girls are boys. Right answer. Next, some boys are girls. Some boys are girls here. No. Some girls are boys. This is also no. When some boys are not girls, some girls are also not boys. Okay, this is you have to accept it. Next, some boys are not girls. So here, some boys are girls is not. When some girls are boys is not accepted. No boys are girls is nothing but some boys are also not girls is the right answer. Actually, we never expect this. No, sir, some girls not. No, so all boys are not girls. Some boys also not girls. So here, no pen is red. No pen is red is nothing but some pens also not. No pen is red. Some pens also not red. So compulsory negative form statement always write the negative conclusion. Negative statement always says the negative conclusion. That is why some boys also not girls is the right answer. The same way, some girls are not boys. Some girls also not boys. This is also right answer. So when this is right, automatically this is right. All boys are girls. No, this is wrong. This is also wrong. All girls also boys. In this, there are 3 possible conclusions are there. So in the negative statement, there are 3 conclusions. One is complete negative. No boys, girl, or no boys are girls. No girls are boys. That is right. Some boys are not girls. Right answer. Some girls also not boys also right answer. So here we are getting the 3 conclusions right. Okay, in that last one we got the 2 conclusions right, but here we got the 3 conclusions. So please take the help of the Venn diagrams up to learn. Then now let us go for the particular positive. Third one is what? Particular positive. You can see the particular positive, that is third one. Particular positive. What is meaning of the particular positive? What is meaning of the universal negative? Here particular positive means some. Some is right answer. So in that example statement, okay, here statement is some boys are girls. Some boys are girls. Here is the statement. So here conclusion. So conclusion is third one is particular positive. Some boys are girls. How can we imagine some boys are girls? Some boys are girls. Also you can imagine. So here some boys are, when the conclusion is given like this. Conclusion number 1. So some boys are girls. Some girls are boys. Some girls are boys. Number 2. So some boys are not girls. Some boys are not girls. Number 3. Some girls are not boys. Some girls are not boys. All boys are girls. All boys are girls. Number 5. All girls are boys. Okay. Some girls are boys. Some boys are not girls. Some girls are not boys. Okay. Next to all boys are girls. All girls are boys. Number 6. No boys or girls. No boys are girls. 7. No girls are boys. No girls are boys. Okay. Now here we have to observe it. Some boys or girls whenever is given, it is a particular positive. What is this? Particular positive. Some chances are there. Some chances are there. How to say? Some chances are there. So here this is called a particular positive. So when there is some girls are boys, here you have to say that you can say like this also. Some boys are girls. Some boys are girls. Some boys are girls. Like the way you can chances. So if there is if the conclusion, if we decide the conclusion in the 3 angles, if it is right, then only that is the right answer. That is the right conclusion. Otherwise, it does not follow the conclusion. We have to be decided now. See. First one is some boys or girls. When the statement is given, what conclusion is right here? Some boys are girls, some girls are boys. So when some boys are girls, some girls are boys is the positive statement takes always positive statement. Some you can take the positive. So these also you can take the positive statement. So some never become the all, but all will become the some. Some will become the some. Some will become not some. Some not is wrong answer, but some is the right answer. So it is compulsory. Some girls or boys are right answer. Next, some boys are not girls. Actually, here some boys are not girls. In the some girls are boys, see, some boys are girls, right answer. Some boys are girls answer. No, sir, all boys are girls. Just before I told you, all Telangana people will become the India. Then some people, Telangana people also will become the India. Some Hyderabad people will become the India. So one person also will become the India. So certainly, some boys or girls is the automatically right. Some girls or boys also will become right. Some boys are not girls. Some boys are not girls here right. Some boys are not girls here wrong. So that is why here is also not wrong. Does not follow. The same way some girls are not boys. Here some girls are not boys right. Some girls are not boys here right. Some girls are not boys here wrong. So that is why from the positive statement one more reason is there. All plus all plus some plus all, some only. Some plus no only. No plus some, no only. Like the way also you can remember that is the A, E, I, O method. So nothing is necessary. A, E, I, O, not necessary. Syllogism, data structure in the Venn diagrams also not necessary. After you got the confidence, you can decide with the watching that only you can decide the answer. First of all, you have to remember once some statement is there, never gives the not statement. Nothing but positive statement only gives the positive result. Negative statement gives the negative result. All gives the some result. Some never gives the all result. No never gives the all result. No never gives the some result. Like the way we have to remember. That is why some girls are not boys also. Here not accepted. Wrong answer. All boys are girls. Here not accepted. Simply we can say that this is also not follow. Next, all girls are boys. Here is also not satisfied. Here is also not satisfied. Here satisfied. But even though it is the wrong answer. Next, no boy or girl. No boy or girl is the wrong answer. So that is why no girl or boy also wrong answer. So in this, when the some statement is given, particular positive, some statement is given, it says only some only. It never says the not. Never, from the positive statement, don't take the negative statements, negative conclusions. From positive statement, don't take the negative conclusions. Positive conclusions only we have to accept. That is why here from the particular positive. So when there is given only one conclusion, only satisfied, accepted, followed. That you have to be remember. One more. Now is particular negative. Fourth point is particular negative. Particular negative means what? Particular negative. So in the from the particular negative, you have to take here there. This is the example statement. Some boys are not girls. Some boys are not girls. So conclusion. Some girls are not boys. Some girls are not boys. Number 2. Some boys are girls. Number 3. Some girls are boys. 4. Okay. 4. All boys are girls. 5. All girls are boys. 6. No boy is a girl. 7. No girl is a boy. So for each and every statement we can divide, we can see the answer in the 7 ways, conclusions. We can see the conclusions in the 7 angles. So this is a particular negative. Particular negative you can say some boys are not girls means nothing but this is also right answer. This is also right answer. Particular negative. So particular negative means nothing but like this also chances are there, like this also chances are there. Sometimes like this also chances are also there, but it is a rare case. A rare case. So nothing but here some boys are not girls. This is the boys, this is the girls. This is the boys, this is the girls. This is the boys, this is the girls. Okay. So here when there is here boys are not girls also you can take. So from the negative statement we don't take the positive statement. Don't take the positive statement. So come to here, some boys are not girls. Some boys are not girls means nothing but some girls are not boys. Here right answer. Here also right answer. Here some girls are not boys. Here wrong answer. Some girls are not boys. Here wrong answer. Why? This is also right. This is right. This is wrong. Here some boys, some girls are boys. Some girls are not boys. Some boys are not girls. Here see, some boys are not girls. Some boys are not girls mean nothing but so this is nothing. Some Indian people are not Telangana people. Yes, yes, right answer. In the same way, some girls are not boys. Some girls are not boys. Here wrong because all girls are boys is there. Nothing but from negative statement we don't take the positive statement. So that is why this also does not follow. So next, some boys are girls. Some boys are girls. Here right answer. Here some boys are girls, wrong answer. Does not follow. If some girls are boys, here follow, here not follow. That is why also wrong answer. Next in the same way, all boys are girls, all boys are girls. In 3 figures there is no chance. That is why this does not follow. Next all girls are boys, this is also does not follow. Next no boy is girl, no boy is girl is right here. Here is wrong. When particular negative is given, It does not follow anything, any statement that you have to be remember. Easily we can say the answer. When particular negative, some boys are not girls is given, this is called the particular negative. So when the particular negative is given, so that is why it does not follow any statement. It does not follow any statement. That is why you can so directly with the watching of that question only, you can say that only does not follow any conclusion. So once again, I would like to repeat the whatever I taught. Here, once again I repeat, syllogism means inference or logical deduction. Next here propositions. Propositions says about the subject and predicate that I told you. Then here the syllogism, that in the syllogism propositions are two types. One is universal proposition, another one is the particular proposition. In the universal proposition there are two parts. What is that? Universal positive and universal negative. What do you mean of universal positive? All boys are girls. When all boys are, means that the parameter of the boys when become the under the girls, then we can say that is called the universal positive. Next one is what? Universal negative. What do you mean universal negative? There is no connection to the one figure to another figure and one diagram to another diagram. That is called the universal negative. Complete negative. No boy is girl or no boys are girls. Separate is given. Then in these cases, in the negative statement, so only negative only follow. From the positive statement only positive follow. We have to remember. From the positive, all boys are girls. Whenever is given, some boys are girls. We have to accept it. All so some boys are girls. We have to accept it. In that two statements only accepted. In the negative statement, when there is given, no boy is girl is accepted or no girl also boy. Some boys are not girls. Some girls are not boys. Here conditions 3 supports that. 3 follows that. Now come to the third one statement, particular positive. In the particular positive, what is the third particular positive? Particular positive is some boys or girls whenever is given. The boys, some boys are girls means only it says that some girls are boys. Only positive statement from the particular positive, you can take only positive only. You don't take the negative statement. And one more is particular negative, some boys are not girls. Here does not follow any conclusion. Like the way we have to remember. So this is actually, if you know these 4 statements, universal positive, universal negative, particular negative, then you can understand that this topic is very clear. I will make you 100% satisfied and 100% clear. You should not have any single doubt of the topic. I will make you. In the next class, let us be continue.